Hello class 10th. Now today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter number 7, chemical coordination in plant. All of you know it. What is coordination? Coordination is of two types, chemical coordination and nervous coordination in the case of animal. But here we talk about the plants, chemical coordination in plant. In animals we talk about the hormones. Here hormones are also present, but it is called as phytohormones. What are phyto? Phyto means plant. Chemicals which are released by the plant are called phytohormones. What are plant hormones? Movement of body part are common in animals, but in plant, movement are seen in the form of bending, twisting and elongation of certain parts. The difference in movement of plant and animal is due to the different mode of nutrition. Plants synthesize their own food, while animals depend on plant for their food directly or indirectly. Hence, bodily movement in plant is not needed, while it is essential in animal. Movement depends upon the mode of nutrition. The principle that every action has a reaction applies to plant. Means the action is caused by changes in external as well as internal factors of the plant. Such actions are called stimuli, and reaction to stimuli is called response. Now again, the action is caused by changes in external as well as internal factors of the plant. Such actions are called stimuli, and reaction to stimuli are called response. Now, what is hormones in the case of plant? Plant respond to stimuli. Plants respond to stimuli by producing chemical compound called hormone, that is called phytohormone. Phytohormones. That is called phytohormones. The chemical factor responsible for the plant growth known as hormones. It is a chemical factor responsible for the plant growth are known as hormones. It is named by first term used hormone in the case of plant used by William Bellis and Ernest Starling. Bellis and Ernest Starling in 1902. The term hormone first used by William Bellis and Ernest Starling in the case of plant. Okay. Now the term phytohormone was coined to distinguish between them from animal hormones. Okay. Plant hormones, why it is called as plant hormone? It is named again to distinguish between the animal hormone. Now plant hormone are of, according to the function, are of two type. Plant hormones. According to the function, plant hormones are of two type. First is growth hormone promoters and growth inhibitors. Growth promoters and growth inhibitors. Growth promoters which promote the growth of the plant are of three types. First is auxins, second is gibberellins, and third is cytokinins. Growth inhibitors which inhibit the growth of the plant are called growth inhibitors are abscisic acid and ethylene. This is the gas form. In gas form, ethylene is a gaseous hormone. What is ethylene here? Growth inhibitor, but it is a gaseous hormone. It is a 1 marks question in the board examination. Name the hormone which is in gas form, that is ethylene only. Now first we start with auxin. The term auxin was coined by F.W. Wendt. F.W. Wendt in 1928. The term auxin coined by F.W. Wendt in 1928. Auxin means to grow. The first growth hormone discovered in plant. Auxin is the first growth hormone discovered in first growth hormone discovered in plant. Present in where it is present in the plant body, present in the growing region like shoot apex, root apex. Where is the shoot apex? Suppose this is plant, this shoot here on the tip of the shoot, that is shoot apex. That is shoot apex. And what is root apex? This is root and this point is called root apex. Where it is present? A shoot apex and root apex. And natural auxin. Name one natural auxin, that is IAA. Question will come in two forms. Write the full form of this IAA or expand the IAA. That is indole 3 acetic acid. Or question will come like this. Name any one natural auxin. That is IAA, indole acetic acid. What is the function? Fruit formation without fertilization. This process is called parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy. Like apple, parthenocarpic fruit, a good example is apple. Fruit formation without fertilization. This process is called parthenocarpy. Mainly auxin, where it is present? Primarily synthesized in the shoot, apical meristem and young leaves. Promote cell elongation, suppress the growth of lateral bud, delay fall of leaves, induce formation of parthenocarpic fruit. Now auxin can induce a fruit formation without fertilization in fruits like apple, tomatoes, bananas. Such development of fruits without fertilization is called parthenocarpy and the fruit are called parthenocarpic fruit. Okay. The fruit which are produced without fertilization are called parthenocarpic fruit and this process is called, that is parthenocarpy. Now next is gibberellin. Gibberellin is also a growth promoter. Gibberellin are another kind of plant hormone. They are formed in a different form. Reported from different plant name as GA. What is the full form is GA? Expand GA. What is the full form? Gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acid in different form. It is present in a different form, that is GA1, GA2 and GA3. Now gibberellic acid 3 is the most studied form. This one is most studied form of gibberellin. Gibberellin are mainly distributed in meristem region like stem apex, root apex, bud, seed. The main function is to promote the growth of internode by cell elongation. What is internode? Like in sugarcane, this is nodes and the area between the node is called internode. Clearly seen in sugarcane. Internode. This is node. Between the node, a clear area, that is internode. Now, the main function, promote the growth of internode by cell elongation, promote fruit growth, break seed dormancy and initiate germination. Gibberellins are also capable of inducing parthenocarpy. It also capable of inducing parthenocarpy. They are used commercially to increase the length of grapes, elongate apples and improve their shape. Gibberellic acid is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. Gibberellic acid is used to speed up the malting process in brewing industry. Speed up the process. Gibberellic acid is speed up the malting process in brewing industries. Now third is cytokinin. Cytokinin have been discovered recently by Skoog and Miller in 1950. Cytokinins are widely distributed in plants. They are produced in root tips and are transported through xylem cells. Large amount of cytokinins are found in germinating seeds, developing fruit, embryo. In seed, they cause expansion of cotyledons. What is cotyledon? Suppose this is seed, gram seed. When you open it, it breaks into two equal half. That is cotyledons. That is cotyledons. Cytokinin inhibit apical dominance. Cytokinin also help in cell elongation, promotion of chlorophyll synthesis in chloroplast. Promotion in chlorophyll synthesis in chloroplast and organ formation. Now again, what is the function of the cytokinin? Cytokinin inhibit apical dominance. It inhibit apical dominance. Help in cell elongation, promotion of the chlorophyll synthesis in chloroplast and organ formation. Where it is present, largely distributed in plants, they are produced in root tips and transported through xylem cells. They transported through xylem cells.